This lesson covers irregular Portuguese verb conjugation under the imperfect. Luckily, there are only 4 Portuguese verbs that are irregular under the imperfect. Imperfect conjugations for ser: era, eras, era, éramos, ereis, eram. Ter: tinha, tinhas, tinha, tínhamos, tinhais, tinham. Vir has the same imperfect endings as ter: vinha, vinhas, vinha, viamos, vieis, viam. Por: punha, punhas, punha, punhamos, punheis, punham. Ir is actually conjugated regularly under the imperfect. It is simply replaced by the regular IR imperfect endings: ia, ias, ia, iamos, ieis, iam. And that's it. A very quick summary of irregular imperfect verb conjugations in Portuguese. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.